Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting Windows 7 ready. Make sure the laptop has power and any physical Wi-Fi switch is on, because the OS can't see hardware that is off. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center, then change adapter settings. You need to confirm the wireless adapter is enabled. If it shows disabled, right-click and enable it now. This first step clears simple blocks and moves you straight into diagnosing software and driver issues. It saves time versus random guessing. Next, you check the software that makes the radio work. Open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and update the wireless driver. If update fails, uninstall the adapter and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Then open Services, MSC, and make sure WLAN Auto Config is running and set to automatic. This manages SSID scans and profiles. After that, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, followed by ipconfig/renew to get a new IP for lease from the router. These steps fix driver and lease problems. To finish, power cycle the router and your PC, unplug the router for 30 seconds, plug it back in, then reconnect. This clears NAT and DHCP glitches. If problems persist, set a static DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 in the adapter IP4 properties to rule out DNS failures. Make sure wireless security settings match the router, WPA2PSK, correct passphrase. If nothing works, run Windows Network Troubleshooter and note any error codes. That diagnostic output points to the precise remaining issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.